Good morning, all of you. Okay, so in the last class we were studying about Indian place value chart and how to place a given number in Indian place value chart. Okay, and now today we are going to study expanded form. In the last class we studied place value and face value also. Okay, and with the help of that, today we are going to study expanded form. If a number is given, how can we write that number in expanded form? Let us see with an example. Okay, this is the number. And before writing it in expanded form, let us read this number. For that, first of all, we have to put commas. First, we have to put comma after first period. That is ones, tens, hundred. Put a comma, thousand, 10,000. Okay, since there is no other number, no need to put any comma. Okay, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So how can we read this number? 23,456. Now, our duty is to write this given number in expanded form. So, the thing is, just we have to write the place value, not face value, place value of each digits. And in between each numbers, we have to put a plus sign. Let us see. We should start from this end, left hand. Okay. What will be the place value of 2? Place value 2 is in 10,000's place. So 2 into 10,000, 20,000. Another way also you can think like this also. 2 and after that how many numbers are there? 4 numbers. So just put 4 zeros. Okay. Then which is the next number? 3. So we have to write the place value of that number. 3 followed by how many zeros? 3 zeros. Another thing I told you, we have to write the place value of each digit and in between that we have to give a plus sign. So the place value of 2 is 20,000 plus place value of 3 is 3,000. Again plus next number is 4. After that how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. So we have to give 2 zeros. Okay. Again plus next number is 5. After that one digit is there. So we have to give a 0. Plus the last digit is 6. No other numbers are there after that. And the place value of 6 is 6 itself. And this way of writing a given number is known as expanded form. So how to write a given number in expanded form? First we have to write the place value of each digits and in between that we have to put zeros. So let us do another question. Okay, we have to write this number in expanded form. For that what we should do? We have to write the place value of each digits and in between that we have to give a plus sign. So 1. After that how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many zeros I should put? 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, don't forget to put commas. I hope all of you are familiar with this putting of this comma. Okay, and next number is, and in between we have to put a plus 7. Place value of 7 is, after 7 how many zeros should be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again plus sign. Next number is 4. Write that 4 and followed by how many zeros? 5 zeros. Plus next number is 6 followed by 4 zeros. Plus 1 followed by how many zeros? 3 zeros. Plus 5 followed by how many zeros? 2 zeros. Plus 1 followed by 1 zero plus 8. So this is the expanded form of this given number. Now can you read this number? Start ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So the number can be read as 1 crore, 74 lakh, 61,580. Okay, is it clear? Let us do another question. We have to write this given number in expanded form. So how can we? We have to start from the left extreme end. So before that I put commas and let's read this number. Ones, tens, 100, thousand to thousand, lakh. So the number can be read as 2,108. Now we are going to write this number in expanded form. Okay, so as we said earlier, I wrote this number 2 and now I am going to write the place value of 2. For that, just count how many digits are there after that 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So put 5 commas. Okay. Plus, see the next number is 0. So put 0 and after that 4 digits are there. See, if we put 5 zeros or 4 0 or 3 0 or 1 0, the value is same. The 0 will be the value. There is no value for that. So just put 1 0. One more 0 is there. Just put 1 0. If you didn't put 0 also, no problem. Next it is 1. After that how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. So put 2 zeros. Plus 8. After that one number is there. So put 1 0 plus next is 0. If you put that 0 also no problem. If you didn't put also no problem. Okay. Now is it clear how to write a given number in expanded form? Okay. Okay, next. So now we studied expanded form. Now next we are going to write study short form. The just opposite of this expanded form. In expanded form, a particular number was given and we were asked to write in expanded form. That is in this form. Now here, it is given in expanded form and we have to convert it into short form. So dear students, please follow what all steps I am saying. Otherwise, you will commit mistake. Okay, the first step, just observe the first number. Okay, and see how many digits are there in that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many digits are there? 5. Just put 5 lines. Okay, just put 5 lines. And the next step is observe the first number and see the first digit of that number. It is 5. Write that 5 in the first place. Okay, there will be no change in that. And now go to the second number. See, this is a 4-digit number. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So starting from this side, leave 3 places and in the next place write that 4. Okay, now go to the next number 300. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So from the right extreme end, leave 2 places and in the next place write 3. Okay, next number is 20. 1 0 is there. Leave 1 place from the right extreme end and write in the next place that number. Now the final number is 1. So our number is 54,321. You should follow these steps. Okay. Otherwise you will make mistake. Now the second question. Here, what is the first step? Check the first number. First number from this expanded form. And count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can understand that the answer will be a 4-digit number. So draw 4 lines. Okay. Now what's the next step? Observe the first digit of that first number. Which is the first digit? 7. So write that 7 in the first place. Okay. Now move to the next number. Next number is 300. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So from the right end, leave 2 places and in the next place write that 3. Now, which is our next number? 40. How many zeros are there? Only 1 0. So, starting from the right, leave that 1 place and write in the next place that 4. And the final number is 6. So, our number is 7,346. And next number, the same step itself. Observe the first number and count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, we have to draw 7 lines. Okay, now observe the first digit, which is the first digit 2. So in the first place write that 2. Now move to the second number. Now here how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So from the right extreme end, leave 5 place and in the next place you have to write that number. Now move to the next number. It is 40,000. 4 zeros are there. So starting from the right extreme end, leave 4 places and write in the next write that number in the next place. Okay, next it is 2000. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So leave 3 places from this right end and in the next place write that 2. Now which is the next number? 100. So 2 zeros are there. Starting from the right end, leave 2 places and from the next place that number. Then 10. How many zeros? 1 0. Just leave 1 place and write 1 in the next place. And the final number is 5. So this is our number. How can we read this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. The number is 21,42,150. Is it clear? Okay, let us do some more questions. See, the same expanded form is given and we have to convert it into short form. What's the first step? We have to observe the first number and we have to count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say that our answer will be a 6-digit number. Okay, so draw 6 lines. Okay, and what is the next step? See the first, observe the first number and see the first digit 7. Write that 7 in the first line. Okay, and next observe the second number and count how many zeros are there. 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. So starting from the right extreme end, leave 3 places and in the just next place write that 4. Okay, so it is also over. Now move to the next number 20. How many zeros are there? 1 0. So from the right extreme end, leave 1 place and write that 2 in the next place. Okay, now the next number is final number is 7. But see, 2 places are vacant here. No numbers are there. So what can we do? Just put zeros in that vacant place. Okay, so our number is 7,04,027. Is it clear? Okay, so you have to follow these steps. Otherwise, you will not. You will skip this 0. Okay, so you have to follow the steps and do. Next question. So how can we do? Observe the first digit and count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit number. So draw 8 lines. Okay, what's the next step? Write that first digit in the first place, 8. Now observe the second number. It is 300. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So starting from the right end, cancel 2 places and just before that place write that 3. And our final number is 1. No zeros are there. Only that number is there. Only that particular digit is there. So write in the last place. And see, many spaces are vacant here. So in all that spaces we have to put zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. How can you read this number? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. And the number is 8 crore 301. Okay, let us do one more question. See, what's our first step? Just count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a 5-digit number. So draw 5 columns. And in the first column you have to write that 9. And observe the second number. How many zeros are there? 3 0. So leave that 3 places from the right end and then just next place you have to write that 8. Now next it is 6. No zeros are there. That means 6 comes in the last place. That is in the ones place. And in the vacant spaces you have to put zeros. Is it clear?